Hello everyone! For this video, I will be unboxing the Xiaomi Mi A3, the latest Android One smartphone from Xiaomi. Now, to be honest, this video was recorded in about late 2019, when the smartphone model was still relatively new. By the time of the upload of this unboxing video though, I had already been using the Xiaomi Mi A3 as my daily driver for about 4 months. As per my usual unboxing style, let us first go around the different sides of the box to see the prints and markings. Here on top would obviously be the model name and a picture of the device. On the left side, we again have the model name, along with the Android One program branding. The same goes actually for the right side. While here at the bottom, we have the usual technical specifications. Let's now remove the plastic covering so that we can go ahead and open the box. Now that the box cover is removed, we can see this white carton container. Opening one of the flaps, we can see the SIM card removal tool. Opening the other flap reveals the user manual or documentation and the warranty card. Also, we can see that Xiaomi provided this free frosted jelly case, something very common nowadays with low to mid-range phones from the inexpensive brands. As for the other contents of the box, obviously, the Mi A3 itself can now be seen. But let's put that to the side first and see what else is contained in the box. Here we have the wall charger, and the USB Type A to Type C charging cable. So, nothing else seems to be inside the box. These cartons do not seem to be removable, probably glued to the box itself. Now, going to the phone itself. It comes in the usual plastic wrap, and of course the peel-off screen protector at the front. Here at the back, unfortunately, are some stickers that you have to remove in order to fully appreciate the reflective finish of the phone. At the bottom is the USB Type-C charging port, along with the speaker holes on one side. At the top is the IR blaster, the 3.5mm headphone jack, while on the right side are both the volume rocker and power buttons. So that is it for my unboxing video of the Xiaomi Mi A3. Kindly do click on that like button if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel for more unboxing and, in general, tech videos. This has been Mo. See you all in the next one.